So hey guys, this is Caroline. Welcome to Real Estate with Caroline. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a community here in Coconut Creek called Karanda Village. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the second floor. And as you can see, the community is very well kept. This is one of the few units that has a view of the pool. This is the pool, which I'll show you after, but you do have a view of the pool. Very nice landscaping. Association dues here include lawn care, maintenance, cable, water, the roof, the works. They resurfaced this here, so it's non-slip, and we are going upstairs. What I love about this community is they also have a master association which has many amenities, including Olympic-sized pools, a gym, courses, library. So I'll take you through. So this is the front door. And as we walk in, it's very nicely remodeled. You see the living room. Now there are sliding doors that go into what they're using as an office area / Florida room, as you guys have called it. And as I'm panning through, you see the formal dining, and you see the completely updated kitchen. All of this was done in 2021. That's the front door. And you have ample closet and storage space here. So just to give you a look through the kitchen, you do have the soft close cabinets, very extremely organized, no slamming. You have very nice stainless steel appliances, professional job done. And this is your beautiful view, one of only 2 units that you could see here. Beautiful view of the pool and the clubhouse while you're in your kitchen. So this is extremely nice. If you have entertaining, you can kind of see what people are doing. You have your cooktop, an oven, microwave, lots of counter space, nice size fridge. And you have more space. And as we go through, now I'm walking out, I'm walking through the living room. I am passing the front door that we walked in from, and I am coming into the bathroom. This is the only spot that was not remodeled, but it's in great condition. Same tile in the shower. Show you a little bit there. The same tile in the shower, but it's in great condition. There you see me in the video. And now we are walking into what some people use as the den or study. They are using as their kids' room, which it is technically a bedroom. It is a very large space. They do have furniture in here, so you can kind of see. You have the window, which brings in lots of light going all the way through. And that is your closet space. They did this for kids and ease of storage, but it is very organized. And there's lots of space in there. So this works very well. I don't know where they found it, but I want one. And then you can see you have the double doors, and that's the front door. This is porcelain tile throughout, also done in 2021. You see the fresh paint, very nice and cool in here. We're walking again, living room. If you were sitting on this couch, so you'd be watching TV, could be seeing the kitchen, and go through. So this is where all these sliding doors, so you have sliding doors here, here, and here where the master bedroom is to this room. This is currently being used as an office, workspace. And you have washer and dryer. So more space. And washer and dryer in there, tons of space. Believe it or not, you have more space up there to store stuff. Very important in Florida, being that we don't have basements. And now we're walking into the master bedroom, very large space as well, which has still remodeled. You have that lovely barn door that helps with the space. You have your soft close cabinets with the countertops. And you can see they close nicely. And we come through and you have lots of storage space here, very organized in the master closet. So tons of space here. And then you have another full bath. This was remodeled 8 years ago, so it's newer, but it is not the remodeled in 2001. Still beautiful neutral color, 2020. So this was remodeled about 8 years ago, but very nice neutral colors, very well kept, immaculate condition. And then you come through. So that's the tour. I will take you through the community, and then I'll take you through the Master Association.